Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing and initial overview of my new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And this is one of the dream phone for everyone. I literally wanted this phone since long time, and in this sale finally I got it. There are sales going on Amazon, Flipkart, Samsung.com, and if you have some cards which they mention like SBI or Amazon, on Amazon if you see they have this Amazon Pay, ICICI Bank credit card. On Flipkart they have Axis Bank credit card. So if you have these cards, the price even go lower. I think current price is 85,000, and if you have some phone to give as an exchange, that's a bonus again, so you can lower the price even more. So let's get started guys, and this unboxing I was waiting for so long. Guys, here is the much awaited package. Let me get it. Where is it? One second. Here it is from Samsung.com. I ordered from the Samsung shop app, and the sale period is going on guys, so the sale is everywhere. Samsung also started its sale. Reliance Digital is also on sale. They are publicizing it their own way, but this I got from Samsung at the cheapest possible price. Let me keep this aside, and this is the box. Okay, let's start from this side. Oh, it's good that it directly opened. Here is the bill. Keep this aside. Really got a great price for this phone guys, and trust me, it's below 70k. This is the S23 Ultra cream color variant. They have these seals. Let's try to open if it opens up. Oh, it opened. Good. Let's try this side as well. Awesome. But as you see, it's a flagship phone guys. Is there a price mentioned? This is, yeah, let's see this. It's a cream color guys. ROM 256, 12GB RAM, and the price should be mentioned somewhere. Indian SIM cards only. It should be here. Yeah. See the price guys. 1,49,999. Like seriously. And it has a SIM ejection pin, manual, mobile phone, and one cable, type C to type C, and cherry on the top, SPEN. So let's open guys. Let's keep this aside. Let's open this first. Here those paperwork and SIM ejector should be there. Oh, cable is here. Nice. There's a good thick cable, type C to type C. This you can use for charging and also for data transfers. And some manual. Keep this aside. Where is the, okay, it's here. Yeah, it's here. SIM ejector tool. I literally have like 10 or 20 now SIM ejector tools. And this is, so see the dimension of the box actually. It's just the phone, nothing else. And this is the phone guys, as you can see. Let's open this. Whoa, the color and feel, in hand feel is like next level. And let's peel this off. Superb. I felt these are rounded, but these are quite flat. They are just rounded at the edge, but in hand feel is so good guys. Here you I have type C port, speaker, SIM ejector, and the talk of the town, man. Woohoo! You know, earlier days I used to have Note 1 with S Pen. At that time, that was the first Note device from Samsung, and I had that. And now finally S23 Ultra. This is superb. So that's it for this unboxing. I guess there is nothing else in the box. And I'll put the SIM and I'll boot it up, set it up, and then I'll show you the final device. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much. Alright guys, so here is the phone. I have booted it up and set it up end to end, and I've also applied the screen guard, as you can see. So it's very quick actually. If you apply tempered glass to this ultrasonic fingerprint, it might not work properly, but the screen guard is very good. And this is how it looks. I've segregated all the apps, super smooth. So all the AI features from Galaxy S24 series are here in S23 series. So, and if you want to see the cameras, actually let's show you the camera. Oops, 1 second. Yep, here. It's actually very good. And if you can see the options, you have ultra wide, 1x, 3x, 10x, and 30x, and 100x, and that's more than enough actually. So one thing is like S20, sorry, I'll just remove all this. One thing is like S24 Ultra doesn't have a 10x periscope lens. This has it. In S24 it got degraded to 5x actually, but they have increased the megapixels for better quality and all. But this is actual 10x lens, and it is only present in this phone. And I've already shown the externals of the phone, and this is the S Pen, guys. If I open it, as you can see, it comes up, a notepad comes up basically, and super smooth. And if I put it back, it gets saved automatically. And this is the best highlight, as you can see, it got saved. That's it. This is the best highlight of this phone, and that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Eventually I'll use this phone, and maybe I'll give a full review later on. But S23 Ultra, guys, thank you so much. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. This is a truly flagship phone, guys, and if you are a power user, you generally use your phone all day for content consumption, for maps, for maybe outside, continuous on GPS, continuous on network, continuously using or taking some notes. This is the best phone. All the AI features from the S24 Ultra came into S23 Ultra, and these are the truly amazing features to try out in these phones. So do check out if you have a budget of around 60 to not 60 actually, 60 is too less, I believe, maybe 70 to 75, in that range. I think you can get the price from 85 to 75 easily by cards and exchanges. So if you have that budget, then I'll totally recommend Galaxy S23 Ultra in this current sale. It's a great price, guys, for this phone, and there are multiple review videos already posted. It's an old phone, slightly older phone, so there are multiple review videos already posted, and I myself checked literally each and every review video and then went ahead with this phone. And I want to make your decision very easy. So if you want to check out the reviews, then do check out those reviews. If not, you have a budget of 70k, blindly you can go ahead for this phone. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Vishal, and catch you guys in next video. Take care.